Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to install Arizen and how to use it for the Faucet. First, go to Arizen website, wallet, and download Arizen for your OS. You can also download it from GitHub on Arizen Official. Then install it. Enter a pseudonym and a strong password as recommended in the Arizen Academy. Then log in. Copy one of the addresses created. Then go on the Faucet, paste your address obtained from Arizen, and click on Claim. You can view the transaction in the transaction history and see that it arrives on the wallet. You can also view the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer. We hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice experience on Arizen.